This is a review of the solar changing spotlights for your outdoor, and they are waterproof and they are pretty much solar, which is powered from the sun, that I'll be doing a review on. One of the first few key points I do want to mention about these solar lights is that the quality of is really amazing. It's a good high quality item, and the solar lights itself are really, like, I haven't tested it yet, but we're going to be doing that, going to the backyard, installing them. The installation doesn't look too hard. It looks very simple and easy. Now, it does come with some instructions on how you exactly do it, but it looks very easy to install, so it doesn't look like it's going to be a lot of work. But there's a total of, it's a 6-pack solar spotlight lamps, and it has 25 LEDs, which means that this is RGB, meaning that it could change to red, green, blue, yellow. It's a cool white color. You can have a warm white, and also it does offer multicolor. So pretty much like a Halloween party you could have as well too. But yeah, we're gonna be going to the backyard and testing these out and see how well these go, and probably we may also capture a night video of it as well too, in action, on how exactly bright these solar lights are. So without going any further, let's go into the backyard, install them, and then hopefully I'll be posting a night video of how these are at night in action. And yeah, let's pretty much go into the backyard and do a install of it, and then we're gonna see how bright these are at night. So here we are outside, and you can see this is the solar panel right here. This is the light itself right here. So we pretty much put it right under here to give a good install, but it does come with these mounting screws as well too that you could use, but that depends on how good weather you have wherever state you live in. And I may not probably have to use this, but in case if it falls down, for example, then you could always use this and pretty much mount the screws to right over here. You see 2 screws that you have to like push it all the way down to the grass. You could do it that way too, and it comes with a 3-pack of these screws that you can see right over here. But yeah, we have it installed. It's very easy to install. This thing could come off too, so it's your option if you want. So you could take it off just like this and then put it back inside like that. So it's very easy, not anything too hard. But yeah, we're gonna be testing this out and see at nighttime on how well it does. So it's a total of 6 packs, so we're gonna see the RGB colors and everything that offers. So maybe a night clip will definitely show you guys how bright and good these solar lights are. So you can see here, this is the finished product right here. Pretty much right here you can see I have it surrounded. There are a total of 6 of them. The quality of this is really amazing. It does multicolor. It does pretty much everything that you expect from a solar RGB lights, and I would definitely recommend this because it does multicolor, cool white and warm white, and different types of colors. It offers pretty much everything. A total of 6 of them. Solar lights, there's no any wiring or anything like that. It's rechargeable from the solar from the sun, and this is something I would definitely recommend. I would highly recommend these solar lights. It's definitely a game-changing experience, and it really looks fantastic. I mean, videos doesn't do the justice. I am really, it's out of my expectations. I would highly recommend these solar RGB lights because they are phenomenal, and the RGB color gives a good atmosphere to my backyard, and I would highly recommend this product. If you are looking for solar lights, then these ones are probably one of the best solar lights that you could get, and I'm very happy with these lights.